Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best eyeshadow that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the Covergirl Eye Enhancers Eyeshadow Palette. Covergirl Eye Enhancers Eyeshadow Palette Natural Nudes 0.19 ounce is a great collection of shades handpicked by makeup pros to make your eye look go from day to night. The shades in the palette blend effortlessly and look beautiful without overshadowing. Customers have found this eyeshadow kit to be perfect for everyday wear, as the subtle eye makeup look is not over the top. However, some customers have found that the colors are more of a taupe range than browns, and the palette is much more cool than warm-toned. The shadows are also more shimmery than they appear in the photo, and the darkest shade is the only matte shade. Moving on, at number 4, we have the ColourPop Nude Mood Eyeshadow Palette. The ColourPop Nude Mood Palette offers a versatile selection of 9 warm-toned shades, perfect for creating a soft glam look. With a mix of matte, metallic, and super shock finishes, you can easily switch up your style from subtle to bold. The formula is designed to last long, blending smoothly and adhering well to your eyelids, which means your makeup stays fresh throughout the day. To get the best results, use flat brushes for vibrant color and fluffy brushes for seamless blending. This palette is a great choice if you want high-quality eye makeup that's easy to apply and lasts all day. At number 3, we have the Covergirl Eye Enhancers Eyeshadow Kit. The Covergirl Eye Enhancers is a versatile eyeshadow kit designed to make your makeup routine easy and enjoyable. Its silky, lightweight formula blends smoothly, allowing you to create seamless eye looks without hassle. Whether you're heading to work or going out for the evening, the shades adapt perfectly to both day and night styles. You can also customize your look by choosing from matte, pearly, or sparkly finishes to match your mood. Plus, the double-ended applicator with soft sponge tips helps you build intensity for a bold effect, or apply a light touch for a natural appearance, giving you full control over your eye makeup. At number 2, we have the Revlon Illuminance Cream Eyeshadow Palette. Revlon's Illuminance Cream eyeshadow palette is a great choice for those who want to add a touch of luminous color to their eyes. The palette contains 4 sheer, light reflective cream eyeshadows that blend together effortlessly for infinite ethereal looks. It is easy to use and ophthalmologist tested, making it safe for sensitive eyes. The palette is available in 8 palettes, each containing a mirror, so you're always ready to add some color to your lids. And finally, at number 1, we have the Urban Decay Moondust Eyeshadow Compact. Vegan, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, and cruelty-free Moondust eyeshadow combines microfine, iridescent glitter with intense, dreamy colors for a refined, multi-dimensional sparkle that's out of this world. 24/7. Moondust eyeshadow is dazzlingly sparkly but with a super refined, elevated feel and not a single speck of chunky glitter. New technology gives Moondust an amazing effect not found in traditional pressed powder shadows. It feels like a cream, but goes on like a powder to create a smooth, brilliantly reflective look with minimal fallout. Moondust also doubles as a highlighter, so use it to spotlight cheekbones and décolletage. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.